Two of the biggest names in online payments. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, PayPal, the world's most recognized payment platform. And on the right, Braintree, the developer-powered payment solution trusted by startups and tech giants. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into the real differences. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
Okay, check out this mind map. We're lining up PayPal and Braintree in 6 categories: fees and costs, customization and developer friendliness, payment methods, invoicing and payment links, features and integrations, and finally, customer support. Yep, we're covering all the stuff you really care about. First up, fees and costs. So PayPal is super upfront with their charges. You're looking at that 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Pretty familiar if you've used them before. Great for small shops and side hustlers. Kinda sucks though if you're doing cross-border stuff. They tack on another 1.5% for that. And honestly, that adds up fast. Also, if you need a virtual terminal, guess what? Extra monthly fee. Now, Braintree's kinda sneaky cool here. Same base fee as PayPal, but get this. ACH direct debit is way cheaper at just 0.75%, and it's capped at $5. Plus, no explicit cross-border chunky markup on card payments. Chargeback fees? Oh, they're a bit lower too. Only thing is, if you're a big volume shop, you might have to call them and talk custom pricing. So, for saving money and getting flexible costs, Braintree edges out PayPal here. Winner? Braintree takes it. Moving over to customization and developer friendliness, this is where things get spicy. PayPal is super simple to integrate, especially if you're using Shopify or WooCommerce or whatever. Hit a button, connect, boom, payments enabled. Their APIs do the basics, but not much else. If you want custom stuff, PayPal keeps you kind of boxed in, so no crazy custom flows. Braintree though? Man, developers swear by it. Insane API power, full sandbox for testing, and you can build basically any checkout experience you want. Are you techie or working with a dev team? Braintree's your playground. A little warning though, if you don't have developer resources, you might feel a bit lost. So yeah, if you want total creative control, Braintree wins this hands down. All right, next up, payment methods. PayPal lets people pay with their PayPal balance, credit or debit cards, and Venmo. It's got those global currency conversions too, so you can sell pretty much anywhere. But, and this is kind of a bummer, their support for external wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay is, well, almost non-existent. You gotta run that through Braintree, actually. Braintree's got almost everything: PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, Google Pay, ACH, and all the regular cards. They crush it when it comes to supporting new digital wallets. The only quirk is if you want payment by link, it's not native, so you might have to get creative with workarounds. Still, if you want to look modern and give every customer choice, Braintree's your best shot here. Winner, Braintree. Oh, hey, side note, PayPal actually owns Braintree. So if you're trying to decide, remember that you're sort of picking between two members of the same family. Pretty cool for businesses that want trust on the consumer side, but also need all those nerdy integrations. Let's talk invoicing and payment links. This is where PayPal shines. You can whip up an invoice in seconds, shoot off a PayPal.me link, or even send a QR code for instant payment. It's stupidly easy and great if you're, say, billing clients or selling a few things on the side. Minor catch: virtual terminal comes with an extra cost, but honestly, most folks don't use that unless they need phone orders. Braintree? It doesn't do native invoicing or instant payment links. You can hack it together with third-party stuff, but if you want it baked in, it's not here. So, for quick and easy payments, PayPal is the clear winner. Time for features and integrations. PayPal packs some pretty sweet add-ons: instant payouts, if you don't mind a tiny fee, buy now, pay later options, and it's a breeze to set up even if you hate tech. Downside? Chargeback fees can get painful, like $20 a pop. Braintree is the total opposite. Full-on fraud protection, seamless with big tech stacks, no extra costs hiding in corners. And yeah, the virtual terminal is totally free. But if you want buy now, pay later, you're out of luck. It's not built in. It's a close call, but PayPal just slides into the lead for most businesses and side hustlers. Last, customer support. Honestly, they're basically tied here. PayPal and Braintree both run 24/7 support. You get phone or email, and you're not waiting 3 days for someone to reply. If support matters, you're good either way. Here's a quick look at how both platforms stack up across all those categories. You'll see Braintree shines with developer features and payment flexibility, while PayPal rules on invoicing and ease of use. So if you're after speed, trust, global reach, and just want to get paid, PayPal is still king. But if you want real customization, developer power, and the ability to support every wallet under the sun, Braintree is calling your name. Was this comparison useful? Stick around for more combos like this, because choosing the right payment platform shouldn't be a guessing game. Dive into our other head-to-heads for smarter business payment decisions.